How to fix Siri not working on iPhone. Hello everyone, I am Bishaka and welcome to our channel. Now let's get right into the tutorial. Firstly, go ahead and launch the settings application on your device and scroll down and navigate to the Siri option and tap on it. Here, tap on the listen for Siri option and make sure Hey Siri or Hey Siri option is enabled, and if not, then go ahead and set it to Hey Siri. You can also go ahead and press the toggle button for press side button for Siri and toggle it on. See if the issue is fixed or not, and if not, then you can also turn off listen for Hey Siri for a few seconds and then enable it again, and then follow the prompts to record Hey Siri commands. See if the issue is fixed or not, and if not, then go ahead and tap on settings again and then tap on screen time and then on content and privacy restrictions. Here you will see the option for intelligence and Siri. Tap on that and make sure the toggle button for Siri and dictation is toggled on. Also make sure the web search content and explicit content are set to allow. See if your issue is fixed or not, and if not, then you can try to go ahead and check your iPhone's iOS update. So in settings again, tap on general and then on software update and install any available updates. You can also simply force restart your iPhone and see if that fixes your issue. And if nothing fixes your issue, then it might be a hardware problem such as mic broken, etc. So you can simply take your iPhone for Apple Diagnostics or Service Center and test the hardware there. So these were a few fixes on how you can fix Siri not working on iPhone. If you find this tutorial helpful, please like the video and do comment if you have any queries. Also, do subscribe to our channel for more helpful tutorials like this. See you on the next one.